I think I'm out of Lisa Frank folders. Perfect! Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. Today we're going to be doing the 6th installment of the 25 Advent Calendars of Christmas. I'm not exactly sure what older, wealthy, seemingly English woman just spoke through me, but nonetheless, today we are going to be doing the 6th Advent Calendar in this little series that we have going on here, and I'm personally so excited for it. I have literally no idea if it's going to be any good. I haven't seen reviews, no idea what is in here, but the reason I'm so excited for it is because I think it's precious. I think it's so cute. This is the smallest Advent calendar that we're going to be opening up this year, but like, look it. That is adorable. The tiny little boxes and like the cute little fireplace thing and magnetic closure box. I just think this is so cute. This is the Benefit The More The Merrier 12 Merry Days of Makeup Advent Calendar. This was $65. It does have a value of $140. I have no idea if there's anything full size in here or if literally anything full size could fit in here. But again, it's just so cute. I feel like I can't be that mad at it. Let's go ahead and get on into this little calendar here. Hopefully on top of this being cute, the stuff inside is actually good. So first off, we have day number 1. Okay, the boxes are actually a little bit bigger than I expected them to be. You all, this popped out of the top and you know, I thought this was a feminine hygiene product. I really did. For like a second I thought, yep, that's what that is. So the first product we have here is the Roller Liner Eyeliner from Benefit. I do hope we see a lot of makeup in this calendar because it says so. It says 12 days of makeup, so hopefully all these items in here are actually makeup items. Does Benefit even make skincare? I really don't know. So this is the roller liner. It is just like a regular kind of felt tip liner, and I think it's pretty good. It's been a long time since I've tried it. I'm assuming maybe this is like a deluxe mini size, and I feel like most of these items in here are going to be about that size. All right, day number 2 is next. The next item in here is the Precisely My Brow Pencil, and this is actually what I was a little bit concerned about with this calendar because Benefit is known for their brow stuff. I think they literally, there's something called a brow bar, right? That's a Benefit thing, isn't it? Clearly, I do not get my brows professionally done. If Benefit was watching this, which I'm absolutely 100% positive they're not, I'm sure they would be dragging my eyebrows to filth right now because they are unplucked, unshapen, and a little bit unruly, to be fully honest. Oh, but what I was worried about before I got fully sidetracked is that I figured we would get a lot of brow products in this, and there's absolutely no customization with Advent calendars, so there's no way to match the brow products to people's hair colors. So this is in the shade 3, which probably will be a good shade for me because fortunately I just have like whatever color this is. Looks a little red, looks a little blonde, looks a little brown, looks a little gray. So I'm basically just like a mix of all the hair colors, but for people with like blonde hair, black hair, really vibrant red hair, I'm sure this shade would not be your best match. A little scratchy. It does go on super, super thin, and honestly, it looks like you can draw just like tiny little hairs, which is pretty cool, but it is a little bit scratchy, feels a little dry. But I just worry if there are a lot of brow products here, if that reduces the value for a lot of people whose hair won't match the products. Next up here, we have, oh, that's 4. Next here, we have day number 3. The next item we have here is a little mini of the They're Real mascara, and I know immediately where this is going. This is my mom's favorite mascara. She's actually coming over today. We're gonna go shopping. Her, me, and Rin, we're gonna hit the home goods hard. We're gonna get some Christmas decorations. But yeah, she absolutely loves this mascara, so I'm just gonna go ahead and set that to the side so I can give that to her and I won't forget. Oops. Now it's on the floor, but I will dig it out of the pile and give it to her if I remember. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and make a note. I'm just gonna write Mom on the back of my hand. I'll know what that means. Problem solved. Moving right on here to day number 4. There she is. Okay, so I figured this was gonna be a product that ended up in this calendar somewhere. It is the Benefit Professional Pore Primer, and I'm sure you are very familiar with this product if you've been into makeup for a while. I don't use primer. I just don't use primer. It just feels like an unnecessary extra step, which is something I say a lot about like different steps in makeup, like eye primer, concealer, and then I wonder why my makeup doesn't look as good as everybody else. When I'm putting on my makeup and getting ready for the day, I'm aiming for speed, people. We gotta go fast because there's a good chance I'm running late for whatever it is I'm supposed to be doing that day. Before we move on, here's a quick word from our sponsor, Harry's. I've been using Harry's razors exclusively for going on a year now, and I just love how close and comfortable the shave is and how soft and smooth it leaves your skin when you're finished. Harry's razors are for anybody looking for that type of shaving experience, definitely not just men. It doesn't matter who you are, Harry's is passionate about providing fair price razors for everyone. There's no pink tax, there's no high price tags, just a quality shave at an affordable price. What's so cool about Harry's is they have their own factory in Germany so they can ensure high quality, and they stand behind their blades so much that there's a 100% money back guarantee. The handles of the razors are also high quality and weighted, and the shaving foam smells so good. It's also really like rich and foamy and creamy, but it's suitable for sensitive skin, which is great. The best part is that razor refills are delivered directly to your door. Right now you can get a trial set which includes the 5-blade razor, the weighted handle, a blade cover, and foaming shave cream for only $3, which is a crazy deal. To redeem your trial set for only $3, go to harrys.com/Alexandria. Coming up next, we have day number 5. The next item we have in here is another little mini of mascara. This is the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara, and I can't remember if I like it or not, to be fully honest. I've definitely tried this mascara several times in subscription boxes and things like that, but I simply can't recall if I like it. I will say the wand is a little weird looking to me. It's a little like bendy banana shape. I don't know, maybe my mom would like this too. I'll go ahead and see if she wants a sample, so I'll try it out. Chugging right along here to day number 6. I am aware that this is a pretty small calendar, so I wasn't expecting any or many full-size items in here, but I am really hoping there might be like at least one. Just like one maybe I feel would really round out the calendar, so maybe on day 12 they'll surprise us with something full size. Oh, I use this! Oh, that's fun. Okay, so the next thing we have in here is the Benefit Give Me Brow, and I do actually currently use this. I actually use 2 brow products right now because one of them is like almost dry and running out and kind of crunchy. It's the Tarte Busy Gal Brow, and did they stop making that? I can't find it anywhere. It's not like on Sephora, Ulta, Google in general. Have I like entered the Matrix? What the heck? Literally, what's happening here? Okay, so I have been looking for this brow product online for a long time because I use it and I like it. And every time I look at, am I spelling busy wrong? Is this what's happening? Am I just that dumb? Anyway, this is the Give Me Brow, and I've been putting this on top of my dried up other one. But I like it. I think it works pretty good. This one isn't like super pigmented. I feel like it's a little bit more like a brow gel with like a slight tint to it. So if you really want to fill in your brows, I feel like you might need to use something else besides just this. This also, however, is in the shade 3. So again, we're kind of having that same problem where if your hair doesn't really match that shade, then you're out of product 2 by now. Moving along here to day number 7, we have a little flat door. All right, so next up here, we have a little thing of the Hoola bronzer. So I'm guessing this is like a travel size, sample size. I don't know, a mini. Typically, I think the Hoola bronzers come in like boxes like this. This is from Benefit, right? Yes, boxes like this. I do, however, like this bronzer. I think it's a nice shade. It's warm enough, but also like kind of neutral enough where you can use it a little bit to like sculpt and contour, but also bronze. I do, however, wish like maybe this product were a full size or something. I don't know. I just feel like we're needing something full size in here. It's a cute calendar so far, but everything is super tiny. Day number 8 is next, and we are getting to the end of this calendar pretty quickly. Okay, next here, I honestly should keep some type of like tally, a running tally of repeat products that we get through this advent calendar series, because so far this is calendar number 6 out of the 6 calendars that we have done on this channel this year. This is the 3rd time I have received the Benefit Bag Gal Bang Mini Mascara. I guess it's just a hot product this year or something, or they just had a lot of minis left over and Benefit was like, what are we gonna do? And then someone very cleverly said, it's almost Christmas. I have a great idea. Okay, next up here we have day number 9. I'm sorry for the constant lighting changes. I've done like almost, is that a spider? What is that? Is that a ladybug? Ladybug, where are you coming from? I feel like ladybug season is far past, but that's better than a spider. But yeah, I'm really trying my best here. I've created some type of like structure. We have like a clothesline basically to try to block the light so the lighting isn't changing constantly. Could I get curtains? Yes, I could. And I will, just not today. Also, I do think this little paper that they put in here is pretty cute. It says laughter is the best cosmetic, which that makes sense. That's cute. Everybody does look so lovely when they're laughing and having fun and that kind of stuff. But it does also feel like a little just extra wasteful when you probably didn't really need it for any of these products because none of them are super breakable, maybe besides the Hoola bronzer. Okay, we have another brow product in here, but this is something that I think is perfectly fine to include in an advent calendar. This is the 24-hour brow setter, and I do believe it is like invisible, it's clear. So it should be able to be used pretty universally by everybody regardless of hair color. That was stringy. I always smell like hand sanitizer. Next we have day number 10 in a flat little box here, just 3 days left. All right, next in here we have another little small size of the Dandelion blush. I think this is a fairly popular product from Benefit, but I have heard like it's super, super light. Okay, that was 3 layers. I put on 3 layers of that blush right there, and you can barely see it on my skin. And as you guys can tell, especially like when the sun kind of comes in and I reflect like a Cullen, I honestly feel like I look most like Emmett, but that's a discussion for another day. This is incredibly light. Like, I'm fairly pale, and this is just barely showing up on me with 3 layers of it applied with the finger and not like swept on with a brush. So I couldn't imagine anybody with a skin tone deeper than mine being able really to wear this. If you do have a deeper skin tone and this works for you, I would love you guys to tell me about it, because I feel like this is just really, really light and maybe not the best to include in an advent calendar, again, because there is no customization. I'm not personally really well versed on their blushes and things, but maybe if there's something just more like a standard pink that could go across like most skin tones, I feel like that might have been a better thing to include in here. Day number 11 is next. We only have 2 days left in this calendar. The next thing we have in here is the Professional Hydrate Primer. So it's another Professional primer. This one's just for hydrating. And again, not a primer gal, but that's okay. A lot of people are. Okay, so I'm holding out hope for day 12. There's gonna be something pretty cool and exciting in here, something to really set off this calendar. The last final day should be like the biggest, best thing in the entire calendar. So let's go ahead and see what this is. I see. Okay. So on day 12, we have a 4th mascara sample. So what math is that? 4 goes into 12, 3 to 1/3 of the calendar has been mascara samples. And not only that is they gave us the Benefit Their Real Magnet Mascara, which to me personally, in my opinion, is just like the not as good version of the regular Their Real mascara. So maybe not exactly like the big exciting thing I was hoping for day 12. My mom's gonna have so many mascara samples. But I do think now I remember when I was reading on the website, I'm pretty sure they did say all these items were gonna be like deluxe size minis. So I can't be too mad about that. I can't be mad that there are not any full size items in here, because I think that they did say that on the website now that I'm thinking about it. It is a good selection of Benefit products. These are very well known Benefit products. And if you are wanting to just like test out the brand, I feel like these are definitely the things that you're gonna like want to try. So I think you can think about this in like a couple of different ways. So this is everything here all put together. This is what you get for your $65. Apparently this is worth $140, which like, maybe I'm just cheap. I am actually very cheap. So for me personally, of retail value, I wouldn't pay $140 for this little pile of stuff here. But if you're wanting to get this for a gift for somebody that like wants to kind of experience makeup a little bit more, experience the brand of Benefit a little bit more, then I think this could be like a good like variety pack, a good variety sampling of Benefit products. You do have a lot of very like popular, well-known Benefit things in here, so I think it could be nice for that. However, if you are pretty experienced with like makeup and Benefit products, then maybe take your $65 and buy like 1 or 2 full-size items that you already know that you like and you're gonna use. So that is everything for the Benefit calendar. Am I mad at it? I mean, no, I'm not mad at it. Am I super excited about everything? Also no. Some of it I will use, some of it I won't use. I'm gonna show my mom all 4 of those little tiny mascaras and she's gonna be so excited though. So for me, most of the joy I'm gonna get from this advent calendar is gonna come from me giving her all those tiny mascaras. I need you all to know that the following clip is an unprompted real response from my mom, who did not know she was being filmed at the time. I've got something for you. Mascara samples.
Oh, thank you. I really appreciate it.
That is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and consider subscribing if you would not mind. We have 1,000 more advent calendars to go, so let me know which one you want to see next. And yeah, I just hope you guys have a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!